Hello, today. In this video, we'll learn how to install STB-EMU on your Amazon Fire Stick. First, ensure you have the Downloader app from AFTVnews.com. If you don't have it, download it for free from the Fire Stick App Store. Now, open the Downloader app and type 796907 in the search bar. Then press Go. This will take you to a website where you can scroll down and find STB-EMU. Click to install it and wait while the downloader completes the process. Once the APK file is downloaded, you'll see a pop-up. Click Install, and when the installation is done, tap Done, and don't forget to delete the APK file to save storage space. That's it. If you are looking for the list and subscription for the best IPTV, leave the comment below or check the video description. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.